You're watching Haitianjonas.com. Just want to say thank you for listening to the radio. It's a pleasure to have you guys, you know what I'm saying, listen to the show. But I need to talk to these Haitians because most of the Haitian I need to speak to is going to be the diaspora. Why do I use the diaspora? Because the diaspora is the one that's criticizing Wyclef. Okay, let's talk. Basically, recently they had a problem with Wyclef where Wyclef is playing the national anthem in Creole. Some of them are criticizing Wyclef. They say, oh, he's saying it wrong. He's saying it bad. Some of them say, why did he even go? That's the question that was going on in Haiti. I spoke to Clef regarding the issue. I listened to it. There was nothing wrong with the music. Like, there was nothing wrong. I know some of you guys are going to say, oh, you kiss ass and this, stuff like that. Nah, check this out. Let's listen to Wyclef and tell me what was wrong with the music. He wasn't singing in French. He was singing in Creole. Let's go. Wyclef.
Haiti, paysan c'est, yo ano marché, mais non la main, non maison, pas fait, pour gagner fait, non fait, pour nous monter, non on marché, mais non la main, pour Haïti, la vie, belle, oh non. Oh no, mettez-moi pour Haïti, oh, tout c'est
Now, you were listening to when Clef was singing, and one thing that you guys don't really think about. Let's talk about, we didn't even talk about Berto lost his game. You can't say Joe Berto. They broke his face. They beat him up. We never spoke about that. Why everything dropped on Wyclef? I just want to know why everything. Oh, that makes you not proud of yourself? If Berto won this game, you would not talk about Wyclef today. You would not talk about if he won the game. But remember that Berto set up a game. It was a setup game for him. Like Mayweather was like, let me just pull out this nation, Haiti. Maybe Haitian will come up and make a big deal out of everything, you know. But I'm gonna whip Berto's butt. You know, Berto know how to fight. But most of the stuff, like in American fighting these days, it's all about money. He made his million, he's straight. But we didn't even want to talk about that because it's Wyclef. Wyclef is the one who's fighting. That's the main issue. He destroyed the Haitian anthem, so-called Haitian anthem, that we don't even care about Haiti. What I'm saying, we have the president's sons at the game paying thousands of dollars, blew up the country's money. But no. He's the president's son. He's a millionaire. The president is a millionaire, multi-millionaire. That is what we concern about. These Haitians, I'm talking about some of y'all, let me not say all of you guys. Some of you guys are dumb as fuck. Some of you guys are fucking stupid. Some of you guys doesn't even have y'all have no brain in your head. Do you understand the issue? You're based on Wyclef Jean that is performing all over the place, representing Haiti every day. Let me show you a clip in a second about Wyclef representing Nigeria. Oh, some of you guys, Wyclef has no heat. He's not making buzz in America. Some of you spoke about that. Do you know who Wyclef is? Do you want to know who Wyclef is? And it's the same Haitian when Wyclef wanted to come out. And some of you guys are saying, hey, Wyclef doesn't do shit for us. Wyclef doesn't do shit for Haiti, for a Haitian rapper. He doesn't have to. He came out for himself. Haitian people didn't put him up there. I remember the first time Wyclef went, he went to a Haitian company. He said, hey, I want you to listen to my music. You know what the guy said? I don't want to hear your rap shit. When Wyclef came become somebody, all of them were trying to kiss his ass. That's what happened. All of you guys were trying to kiss his ass. If the man made it for himself, he doesn't have to make it for y'all. Y'all have to work hard for yourself. Wyclef worked for himself. He made himself become whoever today. He put some of you guys. I mean, if he exposed you on MTV or BET, you have to do the rest. He doesn't have to do it for you. You guys have to understand. Nobody hands stuff to you. Nobody hands stuff to you. You have to go get it yourself. You have to go get it yourself. Nobody grant you anything. Nobody give you anything. You have to work hard. If you don't work hard, you're not going to be successful. You want to be successful? You work hard for yourself. That's what it is. You work hard for yourself. Let's listen to Wyclef performing in Nigeria. Let's go. Clef, go ahead.
It's your boy Wyclef reporting live from the Coke studio, man. Here's music, the pyramid we hear, man. Dairy blossom, I've gone down to old rock bottom. Now I know the love in my heart was true. Divine sorrow, I thank you for the joy that followed. Back then, my friend, if I only knew Nigeria talk to me.
Cherry blossom, I've gone down to the old rock bottom. I know said the love within my heart's not true.
Can I get some soul clap? We will never have a change of mind. We belong together. We will never be the worried kind. We sing our sorrows away. We sing our sorrows away. Anybody here speak pidgin English?
We go back time, we go back time, we go back time. We go back time, we go back time, we go back time.
Turn up for Africa! Tanzania in the building!
Tutakata sisi tamaa, pamoja tunaweza. Tutacha sisi ushuja. We sing our sorrows away. Tuimbe our sorrows away. Hey, hey, oh.
Turn up for Africa! Uganda just walked in the building!
We're singing our sorrows away,
Hey.
and we figure tomorrow's okay.
Hey.
But tomorrow ain't promised. With all you accomplish, it all could be taken away. So live for the moment, okay?
Hey.
I live for those closest to me.
Hey.
Though it seems hopeless, hard as the road is, with you is where I will stay. With you is where I will stay. With you is where I will stay. Though it seems hopeless, hard as the road is, with you is where I will stay.
Turn up for Africa!
Ooh,
by the time me kuwa shuja kuwa kama uwa.
Where you reppin', man?
Nai unatoka wapi?
I come from Haiti, live in Nairobi. Put your hands up,
Nini I say?
hands up.
Mesema I say, Lord of mercy, twende kazi, ini klase. Lord of mercy, twende kazi, ini klase. Lord of mercy, twende kazi, ini klase.
Acima que tiveres vai em frente. Não desista, meu amigo, siga em frente. A esperança nunca vai te deixar. De mordadas juntos vamos vencer. Tudo que eu sei, tudo que eu sei é que vamos vencer, é que vamos vencer. Todo mundo.
Make some noise.
So, you just listen to the song, and I want to give a shout out to my sponsor. I just want to say, hey, if you do not have a good credit, please go check your credit card. Go to AmericanValueCredit.com. They will help you. They will support you. I want to say a special thank you to Wyclef Jean. I will be always a supporter of Wyclef Jean, and I will always be behind Wyclef Jean, because whenever somebody talk about Haiti, you talk about Wyclef Jean. Just let you know, diaspora, if you're an artist, you're not making any history for yourself, Wyclef is not the one that's stopping you. You're stopping yourself. You do not have a good production. You do not have a good music. If Americans haven't seen you yet, don't criticize Wyclef Jean. Okay, you're gonna say, this guy has done for Africa. You know who I'm talking about. I'm not gonna say name. Okay, go get him instead. Because music, it's all about views. If you have views in your music, people are gonna pick you up. If you have no views, nobody gonna see you. Okay, it's a waste of time. If I take you right now and say, hey, I'm gonna put you on the music, want you to play, how many people can you bring to concert? It's all about paper, man. Dollar bill, y'all. Dollar bill, y'all. Okay, that's all it is about. Okay, so who pays the bill? Not you. Do you pay my bill? No. You can criticize me and call me names and everything, but you do not pay my bill. Get somebody, go on somebody's dick. No, not Clef, not me, not anybody. So you want to make it, work yourself up. Okay? Walk the ladder. Peace out. Haitianjonas.com.